Para po kay Mama Linda Twin. Mama Lynn, para po sa'yo.
She knows when I'm lonesome. She cries when I'm sad. She's up in the good time. She's down in the bad. Whenever I'm discouraged, she knows just what to do. But girl,
Thank you so much, Mama Lynn.
she doesn't know about you. I can tell her my troubles. She makes them all seem right. I can make up excuses not to hold her at night. We can talk up tomorrow. I tell her things that I want to do. But girl, how can I tell her about you? How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you? How can I tell her I don't miss her whenever I'm away? How can I see it's you I think of every single night and day? But when is it easy telling someone we're through?
Oh, girl. Gandang pakinggan mga kanta mo, sir. Thank you so much. Let's learn about you. Thank you, Ma'am Mercy.
How can I tell her about you?
Girl,
Just tell me what to do.
sige po, sige po.
Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you?
Alright, guys. Thank you so much.